Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Jio Phone by Reliance. This is a very standard packaging. There is a small diagram of what the phone actually looks like. This is a feature phone, a retro style phone. For those of you who are interested in that kind of design, this can be a good choice. Let's quickly take a look at what other what other information there is on this box. Over here it's written made in India, for India. There you will see a lot of information on this side of the box. For instance, all the specifications are here. This particular phone comes with a 2.4-inch QVGA TFT display. It has a Vga camera and a 1500 mAh battery, which is not bad. This phone comes with 512 megabytes of RAM. It has an internal memory of 4 GB, which can be expanded to 128 GB via SD card. There are also other features like HD voice call and video call, 4G internet browsing, multiple Indian languages, GPS features, wireless FM radio, HelloJio voice assistant. That's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the contents inside. So this is what you find inside the box containing the Reliance Jio Phone. This is the phone itself. Let's quickly take a closer look at the phone. This is what it looks like. It has a matte black finish and plastic body, but it's a pretty hard plastic body. It looks pretty durable. The display size, this is a 2.4-inch QVGA TFT display, is almost half the size of the phone itself. It's not a bad thing. And as mentioned earlier, there's a retro design. Only numpad is here. You don't have the QWERTY keypad over here. There's a flap at the back. One interesting thing. This is the Vga camera. There's a rear-facing Vga camera, and this is your front-facing Vga camera. There's a flap at the back. I'll open this and show you what it looks inside. There you are. This is of course the speaker. So this is what it looks like inside. There's already a SIM card installed. This is a Jio SIM card, and this is where the micro SD card goes in. And you attach the battery over here. The battery points go over here. I'll show that to you in a while. Let's take a look at the other components from the box. Over here we have a Jio Phone guide. You should read this at least once before you start using it. Keep this over here. What is it's the travel charger. This is the travel charger from Jio. This is a micro USB charger from Reliance. Let me keep this one here as well. And this is the battery for the Jio Phone. I'm going to give you a closer look. This is a 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery. I'm going to install this particular battery to the phone and start the phone up and see what it looks like, what the display looks like. You turn the phone on by pressing and holding the call cancellation button like this. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Jio Phone from Reliance. Thank you for watching.